Pendulum as an organization was originally founded in 2013 as a machine learning and AI company that was going to deliver artificial intelligence to forward operations. We believe that that technology held enormous power for parts of operational business and ultimately parts of the DoD. And we focused in on supply chain, which is where I come from. I believe that supply chain and delivering products, people, things to the right place at the right time is the greatest arbitrage of our generation. The partnership with the Department of Defense came through an engagement with the Rapid Capabilities Office of the Air Force and a need that was brought to us around assured position navigation and timing. The problem that we are trying to solve addresses a single point of failure for the United States Department of Defense. That is GPS. GPS is a powerful enabler, but we have become so reliant on it, whether that's an individual driving a truck or that's an operator in the field in special operations. Pendulum technology is geolocation technology that lives on a commercial off-the-shelf phone. This is a standard Samsung S20 phone with the already integrated sensors that live on that phone. So Navigate technology is artificial intelligence that learns from the streams of data that come in from your inertial sensors, from your barometer, your pedometer, from your heading, from your magnetometer on your phone. All of those sensors provide real-time streams of data and information that we use through our AI algorithm to match that motion with a place on the map. And we predict where you are when GPS is gone, whether that's denied, spoofed, or degraded. We were at NSIN Propel in 2022. We were able to engage across a variety of branches, including the Navy, Space Force, and the Intel community while we were at NSIN. We were also able to present to end users that provided feedback around our technology that informed our development process.